Hey friends, if you encounter the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error message on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what you need to understand. The main resolution is reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. But before that, let us try a clean boot and disk cleanup and all of that stuff. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, finally on OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then select delete files. Now, if this doesn't work, then you will have to search for Microsoft Visual Runtime Library on either Google, Bing, or any other search engine that you want to, and then go to this page here. Wait, that sees Microsoft, the latest package. Okay, now this one. Learn.microsoft.com, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported download. So the first one is Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022, and maybe someone later as well. Click on it. Now, if you have a 64-bit computer, you usually have a 64-bit computer. Select the second one. If the rare case is that you have a 32-bit computer, click on this one. I have a 62-bit computer, so I'll click on this X64 one. This is very important. Okay. And it will start downloading. And then I'll click on this exe file. I'll agree to the license terms, install, and then it will start installing this Microsoft Visual Redistributable on my system. Once this is done, right click on your system, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.